I'm Sultan. I'm an immigration lawyer in Tucson. I work for Sultan Vazquez, PC, here, and our law firm has been doing nothing but business immigration since 1976, and with the pandemic we started shifting over to other areas, family immigration primarily. CS Designs helped us reach those goals. I've always done employment-based immigration, and it was always sort of word of mouth between clients. Corporations call each other, they call their corporate lawyers and say, hey, there's a worker I need to hire, he's not from this country, what do I do? And so I sort of became the point guy in my region for that, and I was very lucky to have fallen into it that way. Well, the pandemic hit, and all of a sudden the borders were shut down, all the consulates around the world were shut down. It was very, very difficult to get employment-based visas into the country. The shift that I had to do, frankly, was locating family cases. I'd never done a lot of family work because all of my work was corporate work. We were a word-of-mouth law firm, but that doesn't work with individual cases and family-type cases. And that's what CS Designs really helped us fill in, and really been a godsend for our law firm. On our website, we had a very clunky mid-1990s type designed website, and one of my former clients actually contacted me and he said, I know exactly what you need. This is something that I'm working on, and that's how I got to work with CS Designs. And they just kind of said, we're going to take care of you, trust us on this, and I did. You know, we launched this website I think in February, and by March, I mean it was within 30 days I was the top search result. Everybody on the planet loved the new one. It has, you know, it's got motion in it, and it's just a very kind of hot, it's like a sports car almost as far as websites go, you know what I mean? But on top of that, it's just highly functional for us. So we just get a lot of work through our website now where we never did before. I don't know the first thing about tech, and these guys have been very easy for me to work with. We text with each other regularly, simple little tweaks back and forth. It's taken care of right away. If anything, they're chasing me around because I'm busy now with the work that they've helped me bring in, and it's been very easy lifting for me, I have to say. They've really just kind of taken me where I needed to go. I am absolutely certain that my law firm would look very, very different if we hadn't brought CS Designs in to help us get through this. I would recommend CS Designs to anyone who's looking to help their business get out there to the public that they need to reach, because they're very targeted with what they do.